Okay, so I was looking at the outlooks earlier, and if I go onto day 5, I can see that we're at a slight, almost enhanced risk. Well, I don't know, we may be in that enhanced risk, but it doesn't really look like it right now. It looks more towards the slight right now. Alright, and yeah, look how massive this area is that this enhanced risk is covering. Look how big of an area that is. It goes all the way from a little bit of Oklahoma to Wisconsin, all the way. Isn't that something? And mind you, this is in April, and that is when severe weather occurs a lot. So I'm pretty sure it's safe to say severe weather season is back in, I don't know what the word is. Yeah, if you click onto here, it currently says that the primary threat will be up here towards, Bartlesville. Yeah. And, if we go into lightning, yeah, we get a different story. It primarily has some focus on this area over here towards Fort Smith and all that area. Yeah. On Thursday, there is some risk of severe weather, but it isn't. Oh, I just realized I clicked on Thursday. Crap. Alright. But yeah, this is the one for Friday. This is what you're supposed to be seeing. Alright, this is Thursday. This is Thursday. Yeah. Three primarily focuses on southeast Oklahoma and parts of west central Arkansas as well. And going to the severe threat, it focuses on this area again towards McAllister. Alright, what was I gonna do next? And I was going to show you some previous severe weather events that we've had that makes it safe to say that we are back in for severe weather season. Alright, let's check out this watch real quick. It says it's in effect until 6 p.m. Okay. Yeah, it's also in a back in for the south too. It's usually a little bit earlier than here, where this area sees its season, but it is most definitely not uncommon to see severe weather late in the season further south, like down here. But you primarily see it in the more northern parts, and my area happens to be part of both. Alright. So yeah, and if you go into here, you'll see that there's another tornado risk for tomorrow as well towards that area. If we go into day 4, there appears to be a risk of severe weather towards south central Kansas, north central Texas, and central Oklahoma. Alright. And wait a minute. That barely gets Tulsa County. I'm surprised that they include that as a place in the population thing. Alright, let me check over here and see where it's gonna be. Mid-Atlantic and Southeast. Okay. That usually does not include my area. Usually, the things I look for whenever I'm checking if my area is included, I usually look for either Ozarks or Southern Plains. because my area is basically in both of those areas. Was it the 16th that I was looking at? Wait, no, this is another event. Yes, my area was in fact a part of this one too. Alright. My bad, it was the 23rd I was looking for. Yeah, originally my area did not even have a tornado risk. It was like the very edge of a marginal risk. And then it basically became the main area for all severe weather hazards. Because, I can't quite tell if I'm in this 15% wind risk or not, but I might be. I don't know. Based on looking at the places. Alright. And then we have the second. Okay. Pretty sure this is a moderate risk in some areas. Yes, it was. Okay. It appears that we were at a slight risk in this one. I think that's a 2% risk, but it got upgraded to a 5 in later outlooks. I mean, like, I couldn't even tell originally. We were, like, right on the line. So it was, like, impossible to tell. Okay. And so there's two more. February the 15th? Was it the 15th? I guess we'll find out. It was. Appears that we were at a 2 to 5% risk. Nah, never mind. Wait. I don't know what I'm thinking of. Alright, I can't remember if I saw a 2% or a 5% in my area. Alright. Okay, next one. It would have been the 26th. Okay. Hopefully this isn't too far. No, it's actually pretty good. Okay. So, yeah. Okay. Now there's something else I want to show you here. I might as well look at this. What are the probabilities? Okay. Seems pretty similar to what we had on March 23rd. Okay. 2nd and 26th. Was it this one? No, it looks a little bit too far north. It was this one, yeah. While my county is not necessarily a part of this watch, if we click on the warnings, look at that. Tornado warnings were shaded red, and my area did, in fact, get a warning. And it was the area of primary focus for it. But it got canceled in like 10 minutes, so it wasn't even that important. And I swear, there was a warning in this little county up here in Oklahoma too. I'm going to try to emphasize as much as I can. Don't know if I can. Alright, if you go on to probabilities, the overall chances were 70%, so I don't know what I was expecting, but whatever. We're going with the second warning in that watch, really, so yeah, you have to at least kind of get something out. And what makes it even weirder is that there was not even a tornado risk in my area. However, The winning did originate from an area that was in a 2% risk. So it kind of makes sense, I guess, but yeah, it's a little bit, I don't know. So yeah, that'll be all for today's video, and I hope to see you in the next one, where I will probably go over more updates, or I'll also be doing something random. Alright, so peace out, y'all.